Welcome to Old Coin Vault. And today, what if I told you? A small ordinary looking coin, the 20 sen from 1981 Malaysia, could be worth $144 million. Sounds impossible, right? But today we're diving deep into the mystery, the facts, and the truth behind this viral claim. Is it real treasure or just internet hype? Stay till the end because I'll show you how to check if your coin could. Show coin rotating zoom details. The 20 sen 1981 coin comes from Malaysia's second series of coins. Here are the basic details. Country Malaysia. Year 1981. Denomination 20 sen. Material copper nickel. Shape round. Edge milled. Weight around 5.65 grams. On the front you'll see the Parliament Building of Malaysia, a symbol of national pride. On the back, the denomination 20 sen with a traditional floral design. At first glance, nothing special. But collectors don't just look at appearance. They look at rarity, errors, and condition. Switch tone to investigative. So where did this massive $144,128,000 value come from? Let's be honest. There is no verified auction record of a 1981 20 sen coin selling anywhere near this price. In fact, most of these coins are extremely common. So why are people talking about millions? The answer lies in viral misinformation, exaggerated listings, and sometimes clickbait content. But don't click away yet. Because while $144 million may not be real, some versions of this coin can still be valuable. Zoom into coin features, add sound effects. Now this is where things get interesting. 1. Error coins. If your 20 sen coin has a minting error, its value can increase significantly. Look for off-center strike, double stamping, missing details, misaligned design. Even a small mistake can turn a common coin into a collector's item. 2. Condition grade. Collectors pay big money for coins in perfect condition. Grades include circulated used, uncirculated, mint state MS. A mint state coin with no scratches can be worth much more than a worn one. 3. Rare variations. Some coins may have slight design differences, unusual metal composition, low mintage batches. These are harder to find and more valuable. 4. Collector demand. Value isn't just about rarity. It's also about how badly collectors want it. If demand rises, prices can spike unexpectedly. Clear, honest tone. Let's talk real numbers. A normal 20 sen 1981 coin usually sells for 20 cents to $2 USD in circulated condition, up to $5.20 USD if uncirculated. Rare error coins, they can go from $50 to a few $100s depending on the error. But millions? That's extremely unlikely. Slightly dramatic tone. So why do people believe these huge values? Because of fake online listings, misleading thumbnails, lack of coin knowledge, hope of finding hidden treasure. And honestly, who doesn't want to believe they're holding a fortune? Helpful practical tone. Here's how you can check your coin. 1. Look closely under good lighting. 2. Use a magnifying glass. 3. Check for errors or unusual marks. 4. Compare with verified coin catalogs. 5. Consult a professional coin dealer. And most importantly, don't rely on random internet prices. So, is the 20 sen 1981 Malaysia coin worth $144 million? No. But could it still be valuable? Absolutely, if you have the right one. If you enjoyed uncovering this mystery, like the video, comment what coin you want me to review next, and subscribe to Old Coin Vault for more hidden treasures. Because you never know. The next coin in your pocket might just change your life. Use zoom and macro shots of the coin. Add dramatic sound effects during value reveal. Show real versus fake price comparisons. Include viewer engagement questions midway. Have you ever picked up an old coin, looked at it for just a second, and then tossed it aside like it had no value? What if that moment, that one simple decision, cost you something extraordinary? Because somewhere in the world right now, People are searching through jars, drawers, and forgotten collections, looking for one specific coin. A coin from 1981. A coin that, to most people, looks completely ordinary. But to collectors, to experts, to those who truly understand the hidden language of coins, it might be something very different. Pause, slow zoom on coin surface. Now here where things get interesting. You may have heard the claims, the headlines, the shocking numbers floating around online. Some say this coin is worth thousands. Others say hundreds of thousands. And then there are those who claim it could be worth millions of dollars. Sounds unbelievable, right? And honestly, it should. Because in the world of coin collecting, truth and myth are often mixed together, creating stories that spread faster than facts. Music builds slightly. But here's the thing. Not all 1981 coins are the same. Let me say that again. Not all 1981 coins are the same. Some are common, some are rare, and a very small number might have features that most people would never even notice. Tiny details, microscopic differences, small errors made during minting. These are the things that can turn a simple coin into something collectors dream about. Cut to extreme close-up visuals. We're talking about slight variations in design, unique minting marks, rare production errors, and condition levels that separate ordinary coins from extraordinary ones. Because in this world, value isn't always about what you see at first glance. It's about what others miss. Music dips more emotional tone. Think about it. How many times have you handled coins without looking twice? How many have slipped through your hands without you ever realizing what they could have been worth? That's what makes this story so fascinating, and honestly a little unsettling. Because the truth is, rare coins don't always sit in museums. They don't always belong to wealthy collectors. Sometimes, they're sitting in a drawer, in a jar, or even in your pocket. Pause, coin stops spinning. In today's video we're going deep. Not just into the 1981 coin itself, but into the mystery surrounding it. We're going to break down what makes this coin so talked about, where these massive value claims come from, the real factors that determine its worth, and most importantly, how you can tell if your coin is just ordinary or something truly special. Music rises again, more intensity. Because by the end of this video, you won't just see coins the same way again. You'll start noticing the details, the signs, the hidden clues that most people ignore. And who knows? The next time you pick up a coin, you might stop, look a little closer, and realize you've been holding something far more valuable than you ever imagined. Final pause, logo reveal, style, tone. This is more than just a coin. This is a story of rarity, mystery, and hidden value. We're uncovering the truth behind the 1981 coin. Is it just another piece of metal, or a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered?